Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Jhuxtello iTech, your go-to channel for all things tech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest tech tutorials. Today, we've got a beginner-friendly guide on how to create Gmail, Hotmail, and Outlook accounts. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Creating a Gmail account. Introduction to Gmail. Gmail is Google's email service, and creating an account is super easy. Step-by-step guide. Open your web browser and go to www.gmail.com. Click on Create Account to begin the sign-up process. Fill in the required information, including your first and last name, desired email address, and password. Complete the security check and agree to the terms of service. Click on Next and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile. Pro tip: customize your account settings and explore the additional features Gmail offers. Creating a Hotmail account. Introduction to Hotmail. Hotmail, now Outlook, is Microsoft's email service. Step-by-step guide. Open your web browser and go to www.outlook.com. Click on Create Account and fill in your information. Similar to the Gmail process, choose your desired email address and password. Verify your identity through the security process. Complete the setup by adding recovery information and personalizing your account. Pro tip: access other Microsoft services like OneDrive and Office with your Outlook account. Section 3. Creating an Outlook account. Introduction to Outlook. Outlook is also a Microsoft email service, but it's part of the Office 365 suite. Step-by-step guide. Visit www.outlook.com and click on Sign Up Now. Enter your personal information, create a unique email address, and set a password. Verify your identity through the provided options. Customize your account settings and complete the setup. Pro tip: Outlook integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Office apps for a complete productivity experience. Outro, and there you have it, folks. Creating Gmail, Hotmail, or Outlook account. Simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Until next time,